Pollination is vital to life on our planet. Bees and other pollinators have thrived for millions of years, ensuring food security and nutrition whilst maintaining biodiversity. The SDG 15 Life on Land aims to halt and reverse land and natural habitat degradation to prevent biodiversity loss. Alarmingly, in many areas, including Australia, pollinators are showing a decline. Pollinators use flower traits such as odor, shape, size, and color, like cues, to locate pollen nectar sources and discriminate between different flower species. For example, bees prefer white, yellow, and blue flowers, while butterflies tend to be attracted to purple, white, and pink. Many people will be familiar with the honeybee, species introduced from Europe. However, it may come as a surprise to know that birds, butterflies, solitary bees, wasps, and beetles are also very important native pollinators. Sadly, pollinators are under threat. Urbanization, changing land use, high temperatures, droughts, floods, and other extreme climate events have generated changes in flowering time, making pollination difficult largely by desynchronizing the quantity and quality of flowers available to the abundant and diverse population of pollinators. These last days, the rain use as well has been very high. Most flowers are compromised and damaged by rainwater, causing nectar dilution and pollen degradation. Beekeepers have sought solutions to rain, such as the technique of placing bee patties in the hive to feed the bees during the winter. The objective of this project is to find a solution to support pollinators and create awareness. Therefore, the project is oriented towards pollinators under the concept of environment-centered design and towards people through human-centered design. This project will unite these two concepts through biophilic design, which promotes ecologically interrelated design solutions to achieve the benefit of contacts between people and nature. This design will use the concept of STEAM education to create awareness in children. The designs for the pollinators are based on biomimicry, which derives design principles from biology and uses those principles as a stimulus for ideation. Introducing PolliSOS. PolliSOS are screens made with dried Australian native flowers obtained through botanical pressing techniques and housed through glasses. The frames are made of wood and engraved with a laser cutter. These frames have a second layer with perforations that allows food for pollinators to be embedded. They are designed to be placed over school windows when flowers and food are in short supply. There are 3 varieties of frames, one for butterflies, another for solitary bees, and the third for the honey-eater birds. Each frame contains specific flowers and food to attract and provide energy to each pollinator in an emergency situation. The frames contain the description of the pollinator to which it is directed, the flowers used, colors, and fragrance that should be used in the mixture when creating the food supplement. They are made to be used for periods of time, mainly during the winter, and stored when there is good weather. In this way, it does not interfere with natural processes and works as an SOS shot of energy when there is a need. The food, which is a mixture of sugar, fruits, pollen, and oils with a specific fragrance, is made by the kids of the school. Being located in schools allows children to become aware of the importance of these pollinators in our planet through education, and in turn share this knowledge with their families. From the window of the classroom, they will be able to see how the pollinators approach the window and benefit from the stimuli provided by nature.